So someone commented that they wanted to hear about Filipino superstitions, so I'm gonna have my mom help me explain some to you guys.
Pagpag means you don't go home immediately after you've been to a funeral or a wake, because the ghost or the spirit of that person will come with
Follow you home.
you. Don't sleep with your hair wet or you go blind. Tabi-tabi po means, excuse me, or may I pass, to duende or capre who live on those trees so you don't hurt them.
Oh, this is one of my favorites. You don't step over someone or they won't grow. I think that's just because Filipinos are short, so they make up superstitions like that.
When you're cooking, don't sing in front of the fire, because you're gonna get married with the old person.
Usog.
Usog means don't get magigil to a baby when you first saw them, because they might get sick. So to avoid that, you have to use your saliva and put across on their belly, like a cross table. When you're eating, when somebody's leaving on the table, you have to spin your plate around so that the person who's leaving will not have accident.